Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're diving into a dish that's sure to steal hearts: how to marry me chicken pasta. This recipe is not just about flavors, it's about creating a memorable experience for you and your loved ones. Start by seasoning your chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of Italian herbs. Sear them in a hot pan until golden brown, then set aside. In the same pan, sauté garlic and onions until fragrant, then add in diced tomatoes and a splash of cream for that rich, luscious sauce. Toss in your favorite pasta, and don't forget to add the chicken back in to soak up all those delicious flavors. Finish with a generous handful of fresh basil and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Serve it up with a smile and watch as everyone falls in love with this delightful dish. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to follow for more delicious cooking adventures. Happy cooking!